my name is Natalie, aka SMGLAMBEAUTY, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you're not new, hi, welcome back. So for today's video, I'll be playing around with the new Jeffree Star BloodLust palette. If you guys don't know, my favorite color is purple, so of course I had to get this palette. It looks like this. Can we just appreciate all the purples? Like, so I came up with this look using this palette, and all I gotta say is that I'm in love. I have no words. Like, I really love the way my eyeshadow came out, and if you guys are interested on how I came up with this look using that palette, then just keep on watching. So let's see what I can come up with using this palette, guys. I'm gonna zoom you guys in, and we are gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go in with Deviant, which is this color right here, matte pigmented. Woo! Okay, this palette is heavy. Oh, I love the packaging, but it's super heavy. Oh my god, look at that color. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna go in with this color called Vivid Mood, and I'm gonna put that in my outer corner. Wow, that is some nice color payoff. I love these colors. So now I'm gonna go in with Take the Crown right here, and I'm gonna go in with my finger and put that on my lid. That is dope. There's a little bit of fallout, but I'm okay with it. With a flat brush, I'm gonna take Beauty Sleep, which is right here, and I'm gonna put that in the inner corner. I'm gonna go back in with Take the Crown and intensify this right here. That looks so freaking pretty. Okay, so actually for the outer corner, I'm gonna go a little bit deeper, and I'm gonna take Dungeon right here and lightly put it on my outer corner. Lightly. I'm like really happy about this purple palette. For the bottom, I'm gonna go in with Deviant, which is the first color I used. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with Vivid Mood. And then for my inner corner, I'm gonna go back in with Beauty Sleep. I'm gonna put liner, mascara, and lashes, and then I'll be right back. I really like the look that I came up with. Let me know if you guys got it. Let me guys know what you think about it. I am completely in love with the BloodLust palette. First off, it's purple. Second, the packaging to die for. And third, the formula of Jeffree Star Cosmetics eyeshadows are A1. So yeah guys, I freaking love this. And yeah guys, that completes this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.